Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Today we're going to make a multi-sunglass holder and a place for my keys. This is my previous holder that Mom made for me 12 years ago, and it worked perfect, but it only has a place for one pair of sunglasses. When Mom designed this, she used wrapping paper as a fun design for the back of it. So the first step for my new holder was to pick out some fun wrapping paper. We tried multiple options and ultimately decided on this really fun rainbow snowflake design. We like the pop of color and the fun contrast of sunglasses on snowflakes. For the wood, I found some material in our scrap wood pile. We're using a piece of faux pallet wood for the edges, but I didn't need it to be so wide, so I cut it in half on the table saw. To determine the width of the back piece, I did a rough assembly of the sides with the metal rod that will hold the sunglasses. This ended up being 11.5 inches and cut the length to 21.5 inches. To attach this to the wall, we're going to use a French cleat. In order for the two metal pieces to fit together, there will be about a 3/4 inch gap. To make sure it lays flat against the wall, I'm going to inset the back piece by 3/4 inch, which is what those square dowels are representing. I lined it up to get the measurements for the side and bottom pieces. I'm doing a rough fit of the design. I'm using 2 metal rods to hold the sunglasses. I marked the placement and used drill bits the same size as the rod to fit them into place. Next, we're going to attach the wrapping paper to the back. We covered our workspace so the wrapping paper didn't get dirty and cut it a little bit bigger on all the sides. Mom sprayed the back piece with spray adhesive. Then we put the back on the wrapping paper and used a brayer to securely attach it, rolling out any air bubbles. We cut the excess off with a box cutter. Perfect! We put the structures together, then marked where to put the cup hook to hold the keys. I drilled a pilot hole and screwed it into place. To attach everything, we're going to be using wood glue, which we're using here, then clamped it for 24 hours. Next, we're going to add the French cleat to the back. This is a used one that we've had from an older project. Normally you screw it into place, but this wood is too thin to screw into, so I'm going to use contact adhesive to glue it into place. We let that sit for 24 hours. Time to install. We easily removed the old holder, then screwed the wall portion of the French cleat in place. And then I added everything to the new holder. I could have easily added more cup hooks to the top if I needed more places to hang keys. Here it is in my landing zone, which is a hall closet that we transformed when I moved into my house. It provides a lot of functionality and I can pick whatever sunglasses I need for the activity. For more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube.